Welcome back to my travel channel. Today, our Hanoi adventure truly begins in the heart of the city. We shall first explore the famous Hanoi Old Quarter. After checking into Veshia Hotel, which is perfectly located just opposite the Old Quarter, we realized how lucky we were. This place is completely walkable, and within minutes, we found ourselves stepping straight into one of the most iconic and vibrant areas of Vietnam. No taxis, no rush, just pure street life unfolding right in front of us.
So why is it called the Old Quarter and not the New Quarter? The name comes from history that dates back over 1,000 years, during the Lai dynasty. This area was once the economic and trading center of ancient Tang Long, the old name of Hanoi. Each street was traditionally dedicated to a specific craft or trade from silk, silver, bamboo, paper, and medicine. Many of those streets still carry those names today. Walking here feels like walking through living history, where the past and present coexist seamlessly.
What should you expect when visiting Hanoi Old Quarter? Organized chaos, in the best way possible. Narrow streets buzzing with motorbikes, street vendors calling out, locals sipping coffee on tiny stools, and food aromas filling the air at every corner. It's noisy, colorful, and alive, but never overwhelming if you embrace the rhythm. This is not a place to rush. Slow down, observe, and let the city pull you in.
One of the best things to do here is simply walk. Get lost on purpose. Every turn reveals something different, from a hidden temple to a local wet market, a French colonial building, or a family-run shop that's been there for generations. Early morning is magical, when locals start their day with exercises by Hong Kim Lake, while evenings transform the streets into an open-air dining scene.
Now let's talk about the most important topic, the food. Hanoi Old Quarter is a street food paradise. You must try pho, especially beef pho for breakfast, where locals line up patiently for their favorite stall. Bun cha, grilled pork served with rice noodles and dipping sauce, is another must-eat, famously loved even by world leaders. We simply walked into one of the street stalls, checked out what everyone was ordering, and followed the locals' lead.
We ordered one soup noodle and one dry noodle to experience the local flavors. Both turned out to be surprisingly delicious, and even better, the price was incredibly affordable. You really have to come to Hanoi Old Quarter and experience the food for yourself. These stalls are simple and small, with only a few items on the menu, but they focus on doing their main dish extremely well.
The menu didn't mention this yu cha kui, so I just pointed at it. The shop owner brought some over for us for free. I'm not sure if it comes with the noodles or if it's simply free to take. Overall, the dining experience here was very pleasant, even though we didn't speak the same language.
Shopping in the Old Quarter is all about local character, not luxury malls. You'll find handmade souvenirs, silk scarves, lacquerware, coffee beans, traditional Vietnamese art, and tailor shops offering custom-made clothes at reasonable prices. Bargaining is expected, but always do it with a smile, as respect goes a long way here. But what truly makes Hanoi Old Quarter special is the people. The locals are hardworking, friendly, and incredibly resilient. You'll see families running businesses together, elders watching over the streets, and young people balancing tradition with modern life.
We came to this market, and honestly, the cashew nuts here might be the cheapest in the world. Even with the constant buzz, there's warmth here, a nod, a smile, a shared laugh over food. This is not a tourist bubble, it's real life, happening in real time.
As the night falls, the Old Quarter changes again. Neon signs light up, food stalls multiply, and the energy shifts into a lively night market atmosphere. After walking around the Old Quarter for quite some time, our legs were getting tired, so we decided to take a break at this coffee shop. Life here feels easy. You can simply walk into any shop, sit down, and enjoy your favorite coffee.
Vietnamese coffee is different because it's mainly made from Robusta beans, which are bolder, stronger, and more aromatic than Arabica. Combined with traditional brewing methods using condensed milk, it creates a rich and unforgettable taste. While enjoying our coffee break, we watched the aunties carefully making a dragon for prayers.
And now, the most exciting part of Hanoi Old Quarter. The streets light up and the nightlife begins. As the sun sets, Hanoi Old Quarter truly comes alive, transforming from a bustling daytime market into a vibrant, neon-lit playground of flavors, smells, and sounds. The streets are lined with countless small restaurants, street food stalls, and outdoor cafés, each offering something unique.
Sidewalk cafes spill onto the streets, where locals and visitors alike sit on tiny plastic stools, sipping Vietnamese egg coffee, strong black coffee, or a cold Veshia Hotel draft beer, chatting, laughing, and soaking in the energy around them. The atmosphere is a mix of lively chaos and cozy intimacy, neon lights reflecting off old French colonial buildings, motorbikes weaving through narrow streets, and the sound of street performers or local musicians drifting through the alleyways. Eating in the Old Quarter at night is not just about the food. It's about the experience, tasting authentic local dishes, discovering hidden flavors, sharing a laugh with the locals, and immersing yourself in the city's energy that doesn't stop until late into the night.
No matter where you walk, someone is sure to invite you into their cafe, bar, or restaurant, and with all the food, beer, and coffee around, everything looks irresistible. Wow, what an amazing first night here in Hanoi Old Quarter. From walking through the bustling streets, tasting delicious local street food, enjoying a relaxing coffee break, to soaking up the vibrant nightlife with barbecue, beer, and neon-lit alleys, it's been an experience that truly captures the soul of Hanoi. Tonight is just the beginning of our journey, and we've only scratched the surface of what this incredible city has to offer.
In the next video, we'll take you to the famous Train Street, a unique spot where trains pass just inches away from the local homes and cafes, a place full of thrill, culture, and local life. You'll get to see how locals live right next to the tracks, enjoy some more amazing Vietnamese food, and experience Hanoi in a way you won't find in any guidebook. If you loved exploring the Old Quarter with us tonight, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure. Hit the bell icon too, because the best of Hanoi, the sights, the flavors, and the local stories, is coming your way. Stay tuned and join us as we continue to eat, explore, and live like locals in Hanoi.